y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Melissa. Today I'm going to go ahead and organize this hot mess of a pantry. If you were here for the last pantry organization, you can tell that I got new shelving inside the pantry, so everything has just been thrown in there just from everyday life. It's just a complete mess. Nothing is organized in here. I got some new bins from Dollar Tree that I hauled a while back, so I figured I would go ahead and put those to good use and share it with you guys today. Please enjoy the video. Okay, this looks so much better to me. I know where everything is at now. I will say that those can organizers that I got at the Dollar Tree, I'm not really that impressed with. I've seen a lot of people haul these and use them, but to me, they're really flimsy. They didn't really fit the cans well. So I don't know if I recommend those to you guys or not, but I just have everything in sections, everything in bins that I possibly can have so that everything's organized. I went ahead and moved the cereal down to a lower shelf so that the kids can reach it and stop bugging me to reach the cereal in the top of the pantry. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching. Please subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in the next one.